Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device has a fingerprint sensor and that Android supports biometrics. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, make sure the battery is above 20% and your finger is clean and dry. Now open Settings, navigate to Security and Privacy or Biometrics, and select Fingerprint Enrollment. You'll be prompted to unlock with your PIN, pattern, or password. Complete that to continue. This initial flow ensures the system can securely store your fingerprint template and link it to device unlock. You'll now follow the on-screen prompts to capture your fingerprint fully. Lift and reposition your finger each time so the sensor records edges and center. Once done with one finger, enroll a second, your primary plus an alternate, so unlocking works in varied grips. Make sure to vary angle and pressure during enrollment so the template covers typical real-world touches. If your phone offers advanced options like fingerprint name or timeout, set them now. This improves recognition speed and reduces false rejects later. You finish by testing the fingerprint unlock multiple times and then selecting fingerprint as the preferred unlock method. If recognition is inconsistent, make sure the sensor is clean and that any screen protector or case isn't blocking it. Once you verify reliable unlocking, enable related features like app lock or payment authentication if desired. If problems persist, re-enroll the problematic finger or clear all biometric data and redo enrollment. This resets the template and typically fixes edge case errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.